Okay, so now that we know how Forex charts work and the three different types, let's see how we can use them in MetaTrader 4. So we're going to open up a new chart and we're going to open up one of my favorite currency pairs, the Euro Canadian dollar currency pair. So let's right click and select a chart window. And now I'm going to expand this window so that it covers this whole workspace. And in fact, I'm going to close the terminal window because that will give us some more space for the chart. And now what we can do is we can change the chart type between bars and candlesticks and line chart. So first thing you will notice is that the chart is quite small, so we're quite far away. So let's go ahead and zoom in. To zoom in, click this plus button over here. Zoom in, let's zoom in a couple of times. There you go. So that's your chart. And now what we're going to do is we're going to change the type of the chart. Right now it's a bar chart, so just a standard bar chart. Now we want to change it to a candlestick, and we're going to press this button over here to change it to a candlestick chart. There you go. Now we have a candlestick chart. As you can see, it looks different. So I'm going to zoom in one more time, and if you want to move your chart around, then you can just left click the mouse and move it around. But we're not going to do that right now. We're focusing on the how the chart looks. So that is a candlestick chart, and even if we zoom in one more time, what you will see is that just like in the previous tutorial, you have your open. So in this case, this was the open, this was the close, this was the low, this was the high. Or let's look at this one here. So open, close, high, low. So and if you put your mouse over it, it will pop up with a window which tells you everything about that candle. Then you've got a bearish candle. So you've got the open up here, the close down here, the high, the low. And as you can see, every candle is a continuation of the previous one. So the open for this candle was a close for this one. The open for this candle was a close for this one. The open for this candle is a close for this one, and so on. And now I can switch it back to standard bar charts. There we go. And also we can look at a line chart. So once again, this one has way less information. It only has the close prices. Although you can get all of the information if you put your mouse over a certain segment of the line. So this chart is good if you just want an overall picture, but generally traders don't use the line chart. Generally they stick to the candle chart or the bar chart. And that's how you use the three types of charts in MetaTrader 4. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading.